In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create knockout text effect in Canva. This knockout text effect is where your text looks like it's cut out of an image or background, so the picture shows through the letters. We're going to use Canva and the background remover tool to do this in a clean, simple way. First, you need a starting design. Open Canva and create a new design in whatever size you want. For example, you can use a YouTube thumbnail size, an Instagram post, or a custom size. Once your blank canvas is open, add a background. This can be a solid color, a gradient, or an image. For now, choose something simple so you can clearly see the text we're about to add. Now create your text. On the left side, click on the text option, then add a heading or any text box. Type in the word or phrase you want to turn into the knockout text effect. From here, move the text into the center or wherever you want it to appear in the final design. Make sure the font is bold or thick enough so the effect is visible. Thin fonts will not show the image through the letters very clearly. Next, change the text color to white. Select your text, go to the text color option in the top toolbar and choose white. At this stage, you should have white text sitting on your background. This is your first page, which will be part of the final effect. Now it's time to duplicate this page. Look at the bottom of the screen where you see your page thumbnail. Click the duplicate page icon so you now have page 1 and page 2 that look exactly the same. We're going to work on the second page for the knockout effect. On the second page, click to select your text. Go back to the text color tool at the top. Instead of picking a color from the presets, click on the color picker or eyedropper tool. Hover over your background and click to sample that exact color. This will change your text to match your background color. Since the text is now the same color as the background, it should blend in and basically disappear into the background. The text is still there, but visually it looks invisible. Next, you're going to add your desired background image behind the text on the second page. This is the image that will show through the letters later. Go to the left panel, click on Uploads or Photos, and choose the image you want to use for the knockout effect. Drag that image onto the canvas and send it to the back if needed so it sits behind the text layer. Make sure the image covers the entire canvas area and is positioned how you want it to show through the letters. Now select the image on this second page. With the image selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. Look for the Background Remover tool. This is a Canva Pro feature, so you need Pro access for this part. Click Background Remover and let Canva process the image. Normally, this tool removes the background around the subject of the photo, but here we're going to use it to remove the part where the text is. If the text shape is not automatically cleared out, use the Erase and Restore brushes inside Background Remover to carefully adjust the area so the text space becomes transparent. The goal is to have the letters acting like a cutout, where the inside of the text is transparent and the rest of the image stays visible. Zoom in if needed to make this more accurate. When you're happy with how it looks, apply the changes. From here, you now have two key elements. The first page where the white text is clearly visible on the background, and the second page where the text-shaped area in the image is transparent. Now it's time to combine them into a new design to see the full knockout text effect. Go back to the Canva home screen or open a new blank design in the final size you want. Then, click on Projects, find the design you just worked on, and insert both pages into this new design. Place the first page background and text layer where you want it. Then add the modified second page with the transparent text on top of it, aligning them perfectly. Make sure both layers line up so the text and background match. When they are aligned, the image on the second layer will show through exactly where the text is cut out, creating that knockout text effect in Canva. From here, you can adjust the position, resize the elements, and add any extra design details like icons, shapes, or additional text around it. When you are done, download your final design as a PNG or JPG, and your knockout text effect is ready to use.